Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something so many of us are doing now, working from home. We're going to look at how it changes the way we think and feel. So, let's get started.
So, let's start with a big question. Is working from home actually good for us, or is it bad? This is a really important question for both workers and their companies today. Let's see what the facts say. All right, first, let's look at the good things. Probably the best part about working from home is the flexibility. You get more control over your own time, and that can really help lower your stress. So, what does this flexibility really mean? It means you are the boss of your own schedule. You can decide when to start work, when to take a break, and when to finish for the day. Having that control can make you feel really good. So why is this so good for us? Well, for one, you don't have to travel to work every day. That gives you more time for your family or for your hobbies. And when you're less stressed, something interesting often happens. You can actually get more work done. People who are happy are usually more focused. Here's a great example from real life. Someone said, "This morning I finished my report before 9 a.m. because I didn't have to sit in traffic." See, that shows a really clear benefit of not having to go to the office. But of course, working from home isn't perfect. There are some difficult parts too. Let's talk about one of the biggest problems: feeling alone. Technology helps us talk to each other, but it's not always the same as being with people in person.
And for a lot of people who work from home, feeling lonely is a real problem. When you work by yourself all day, you can start to feel, well, disconnected. This is something that companies and managers really need to think about.
Just think about how we talk to people at work. In an office, you can have quick, friendly chats with your coworkers. This helps everyone feel like part of a team. But when you work at home, you mostly have planned video calls. And over time, that can make you feel less connected to your team.
So what can we do about this? Many companies are finding that the best answer isn't working from home all the time or being in the office all the time. It's about finding a balance. And this idea is called the hybrid model. Okay, so what is a hybrid model? It's pretty simple, really. It's a mix. You work some days in the office, and you work some days at home. For example, you might go to the office for a few days to work with your team, and then work from home for the other days. It's a simple idea, but it can work very well. And this model really gives you the best of both. You can go into the office for team meetings and to share ideas together. Then you can work from home when you need to focus on a task without any noise. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and your job. So, when we think about the future of work, what's the most important thing to remember? Well, it's becoming clear that it's not just about where we work. There's something more to it.
You see, the future of work is not just about having better technology. It's about understanding people. It's about caring how your coworkers are feeling and what they need to do their best work. In the end, a good place to work is one where people understand each other. So I want to leave you with one final question to think about. After hearing about the good and the bad parts, what does a perfect work week look like for you? Is it all at home, all in the office, or a mix of both? Thinking about that is the first step to creating a better way to work for everyone. Thanks so much for listening.